are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Alright, I'm ready whenever you are.
1, 2.
Sit down. Alright, I'm ready whenever you are.
1, 2.
Back at it
Well,
again.
Popped us a good one. It's still a little light, as you can tell, but he kind of busted us. And so, what'd I say? 89 yards? No, it was 89. 95 when we saw it. 89 yards. We're just happy to be seeing some. Where? Oh. Yeah, he's not that small. He's thick.
Got a little circle beat down right here.
Yeah, he's been. You ain't going nowhere. You gotta exit to one of us get him in. Oh no, right in the neck.
Right.
2 exits, it looks like. He's 140, 150, maybe. He's fat, maybe 120. I'm being nice. We hadn't seen many in a while. BOAR by himself. This is about, oh, shoot. We killed a couple more right over there.
Yeah.
Last time we came out, so. It's the BOAR hangout. Had a little encounter. Got him with that homemade rat shot. Tim's out there, got to play with him. Huh?
Hey, stick.
Use the tripods.
That's a good idea.
Is he dead?
Oh, I'm gonna make sure.
I hate them freaking things. Might want to put another one in him. Yeah, that ought to get him. He's fat. No, you just twist him off. Just twist the piss out of it. You sure that sucker's dead?
Yeah, he did.
You twist it off?
Yeah.
How many's he got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
10. God, he was just chilling there.
Yeah, that's a good eye, dude. I didn't even see him.
I'm always looking. I hate them things.
Right here by that cobra.
Yeah, hate them. After the rattlesnake encounter, we saw this guy out in the middle of the wheat and made a stalk up on him. Stop. Yep. Stop. Is he a pretty good sized one?
Yeah. touch bigger than that other one. Dude, we were so much closer than I thought we were.
Yeah, I thought he was way out there. I think I saw something. I saw something else out there.
I lost him. I'm like, where is he? And I panned left and he was like right there. I'm like, oh, right here.
When we hit him, like he just dropped and then he got up.
And ran right at us.
Ran right at
Dude,
us.
I was zoomed in so far, he was this big in my screen. I'm like,
That was freaking nuts.
I dumped like 4 or 5
Let's
shots.
count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18 yards. He took that one to the old medulla.
Yeah, he was just a touch bigger than that other one.
Golly. Tough sucker.
Exit one.
Well, he was aiming. He was quartering away hard. You sure it's not an entrance? That could be an entrance, dude.
I was aiming like right there and I don't see anything. Oh, there it is. Up there.
I'll have to look at mine. But yeah. He just dropped and then he got up and ran right at us.
The hole that hammer put there is
Yeah, I did that. That was the last. Yeah, he's not going to have
his sinus
much
cavity
of a.
ought to be clear.
Yeah, it's screwed. Golly, that was crazy.
That is an impressive hole, sir.
That's an entrance.
I know. It cauterized the wound.
You got it, buddy.
Tick.
Wow. I really thought, I was like, man, the way he's running at us, that's a...
Well, I took 5 quick shots because I knew I was about to have to stop because I was coming at you. I'm like, I'm fixing to have to stop shooting. So
Yeah, you went full auto. Oh, golly. He was dead. He just didn't know it.
there's a good shot.
That's an exit.
That's probably what...
I guarantee you that's my shot.
Look, dude, that's an exit right there.
Yep.
How did that not just
That's you.
dropping through the neck?
Mine, I pulled it back into his body because he was quartering away hard.
See, I was aiming like that.
He was dead. He just didn't know it.
He didn't know it, but god dang, he didn't want to stop. That's 1, 2, 3 bullets in him for sure. 'Cause that's the exit from that face shot you did.
Yep. Well,
Yeah,
they're tough.
That's definitely...
You know, maybe that one guy that made the comment about, you know, we don't know what we're doing on Instagram, and you know, if we can't hit them right, then we don't need to be hunting.
Yeah.
He's apparently never hunted pigs.
There's 2 through the head.
One through the
freaking lungs and heart.
Yep.
1 through the neck that ought to spine him.
See here, educational moment. I've always been taught to aim here, but that bone comes up and goes here. You really, on your archery shots, need to be here. Right there. There's his scapula. Right there's where you need to put it. That's the vital V boom. And actually you need to be a little bit lower where you can get into the heart. Tough sucker. They're all tough.
There's no reason he should have ran 30 yards.
No, he should have dropped, but
Well, he did, man.
he didn't want to. He was adrenaline. And what's weird, this is what's weird. We, through the thermal, and you'll see it, it looked like he was wet because we were getting a black signature.
Well, he is on this side.
Is he?
Yeah, he's on this side. See, he's got...
Okay, now that's that mud we were seeing.
He's sopping wet right there.
Alright.
And
Alright.
that's an exit wound, just so
For show.
people know that's an exit.
Mm.
And you can see the entrance, how quartered that was, because mid-body, entrance right there.
I think, yeah.
Because he was coming at us. You know, somebody hit him like that.
Oh, you could see the blood trail. I'm sure there's a lot of lead back in here too.
Yeah. He was on his way down. He just didn't know.
All right, well, there's 2 on the night and a rattlesnake. We're doing the Lord's work. We got going, Jim?
He's there right now. I really want to go shoot him on my
All right.
bow.
Well, let's go get our archery gear.
Change gears here.
Change gears here. We got a haul butt though.
This guy's all wound up because that is all pig tracks.
Hey,
Yeah.
just here.
Yeah.
There's Pete. We just pulled in here. It's been a while since we've had some rain, but good Lord. Dude, that's a solid freaking highway. Hey, it's got to be pigs. Look. Yeah, it's pigs. One was just here and peed. You hear me? Holy crap. This is solid. Wow. Yep, that's pigs. Look at that. Yep, that's pigs. It was like a big freaking playground for a while. Well, it looks like we should have been hunting back when it was raining, and we weren't. I mean, you look at this. And it goes on for a while, and they even ate into the wheat. Looks like they cleared out a big area right here. They were just here. Dadgum. They were just here. Tim, they were just here. That's muddy.
Recording now.
Right here we attempted a run and gun on the Ranger, but both of us in all the commotion forgot to record early enough.
The phone wasn't recording. Nuh-uh.
Yes.
God dang it. He's right there on the right. I already killed him.
I smell it. 98. It's a big son of a gun. Well, Tim handed me, yeah.
Oh, don't kick me.
Tim handed me his phone, said, hey, it's recording.
Wasn't recording.
And it wasn't recording. We missed the whole thing, and it was freaking sweet, but caught the tail end of it. That's a big boar.
I don't think that's supposed to do that.
He's 190, ain't he? No, it ain't supposed to go that way.
Yeah, he's probably every bit of 180, 190. Oh, dude, I throated him. No, that's that last shot.
Yeah, it went right through the old head.
My bad. I'm being done.
God, I wish we'd had that on video. I was hauling butt through the wheat. Freaking rookie.
Yep.
We were sitting there the whole time like, we should have brought pistols. Yep. That's what's fun, kiddos. Has it got teeths?
Little bitties. Little bitties.
Oh, what is that?
3 for
3
yeah.
and a snake.
Most pigs we killed in one night in a year.
Hey, you may get 4. Is he still there?
I don't know. I ain't got no more pictures.
Gosh dang. Where did it hit? Where did the... Oh, I got you.
Right there. That should have killed him. I mean, that should have been right. Right to
That was
his.
a little bit more
Think a
back.
little far forward.
Yeah. Sorry, we're into bow mode.
Yep.
Been watching too much videos.
Too much ranch fairy.
Too much Ranch Fairy. Which has not a lot to do with the blackout and hammer.
I mean, that's an exit wound right
Good
there.
Lord. Look at that. That's on the back of my neck. Do what?
That's an exit wound right there.
Yeah, he should have been dead.
How did he keep living?
I don't know. Were you even aiming, or were you just like hanging it out,
I was just
sending
hanging
it?
out.